Welcome back, viewers. You're watching The Savera, and I'm Shefali. The Sutak Kal for the Chandra Grahan has officially begun, marking the start of an important period of religious observance for many people across India. Sutak Kal is considered a sacred and sensitive time in Hindu tradition, beginning 9 hours before a lunar eclipse. Based on the scheduled eclipse, Sutak came into effect at 6:20 am on March 3, that's today, and will continue until the eclipse concludes later in the evening. The Chandragrahan itself will begin at 3:20 pm Indian Standard Time and end around 6:46 pm Indian Standard Time. The total lunar eclipse phase, when the moon is completely covered by Earth's shadow, is expected from 4:34 pm to 5:33 pm Indian Standard Time. However, in India, the moon is expected to rise at approximately 6:26 pm, which means the eclipse will likely become visible shortly after moonrise and became observable until about 6:46 pm, depending on local weather conditions and horizon clarity. During Sutak Kal, temples generally remain closed and regular worship rituals are paused. Devotees traditionally avoid touching idols, performing auspicious ceremonies, or starting new ventures during this period. Activities such as cutting hair, trimming nails, or shaving are also discouraged. Many households refrain from cooking fresh food and prefer to consume meals prepared before Sutak begin. Social gatherings and unnecessary outings are often avoided until the Grahan ends. Certain groups, including pregnant women, elderly individuals, children, and those who are unwell, are usually given flexibility in observing these restrictions. Healthy and safety are prioritized over strict ritual abhorrence. They may eat or take medicines if required. Traditionally, the use of sharp objects and stepping out unnecessarily during the eclipse is discovered. People are advised to stay indoors and avoid isolated areas during the event. Astrologically, some believe this lunar eclipse form a significant alignment involving Mars, Rahu, and Ketu. Traditional astrologers' interceptions suggest that some combinations may symbolize heightened tension, political shift, or global instability. These views are rooted in classical astrology and often gain attention during major celestial events. From an astronomical perspective, a total lunar eclipse occurs when the Earth comes directly between the Sun and the Moon, causing Earth's shadow to fall entirely on the lunar surface. During the total phase, the Moon often appears reddish or copper colored, a phenomenon commonly known as the blood moon. This reddish hue is caused by sunlight filtering through Earth's atmosphere and blending towards the Moon. The first lunar eclipse of 2026 will be visible across large parts of Asia, Australia, and Africa, along with portions of North and South America and the Pacific region. In India, major cities including Delhi NCR, Mumbai, Kolkata, Chennai, Bengaluru, Hyderabad, Ahmedabad, Patna, Bhubaneswar, and several northeastern cities are expected to witness the eclipse subject to clear skies. Authorities and experts have advised people to follow local timing updates and weather forecast for the best viewing experience. While lunar eclipses are safe to watch with the naked eye, observers plan to watch outdoors are encouraged to ensure safe and comfortable viewing conditions. As spiritual observance continue and astronomers prepare to track the celestial event, the Chandragrahan prevents both religious significance and a rare astronomical speculation for millions. That's all for now in this update. Stay tuned to The Savera, download the app and follow us on various social media platforms.